What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just another short video today. I'm not gonna do too much. I just got off work, super tired, but figured I'd at least try to get one or two things done today. So I think today, or I should say tonight, I'm gonna try to focus on deleting the rear windshield wiper and deleting the antenna. So I've already got some of this started. I've already taken out the rear fascia, I guess you'd call it, the rear trim for the back of the door. So it's right here. Pretty easy. All it is a bunch of fastening clips. So like you can see here, here, and here. Then they go all the way around. You just start putting in like a screwdriver and just slowly popping those, and they'll all come out. So now what I want to do is, some people just take off the blade, and then I'm just going to take off the whole motor. So it looks like it's all held in by tins with some wiring. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started at taking that off. Actually, what the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove the windshield wiper arm with the blade. It just has this little cover that sits on it. So all you gotta do is just take a screwdriver in there and just kind of pry it, and it's gonna expose this 10 mil bolt. So let's go ahead and take that off. Oh, actually, just kidding, guys. So it's actually a 12 millimeter bolt. So let's go ahead and take that off. Nice. So just like that, the whole arm comes off, and you just set that aside. Don't really need that. And then we can pull that off. Just a little trim piece. Now I think that should just be able to slide out. Okay, so actually, see if I can get this thing to focus. So I don't know how well you guys can see it, but right here on top of this little ring, there is actually a little C-clip that holds that through. So I believe now is just go in on the other side and start pulling the motor out from that side. Alright, so a little update. I took out, so we have to focus. I took out 3 10 millimeter bolts. So right here, right there, and there's one up here. So those, now it's all free. Those are just holding that in. So now we have to come back outside, and I found out that you actually have to take this nut off, and it's actually going to be a 24 millimeter. So I ended up having to use this big ass socket on a breaker box. That's all I had. So now, once you have that, that should just come off along with that. And if you heard that, the whole motor, window motor, just fell right into the car. So now, yep, right there. So we don't need that anymore. Set that aside. Now, so now I just gotta try to get this rubber bushing out. So I'm just gonna break this seal with this screwdriver. Probably be careful not push the seal in. And there you have it. So now that's done. So there you go. Window motor's completely out. Now you just have this hole So what I did is I went ahead and ordered just a gasket or a cap cover from Honda, and I'll link it down below. So I got one for there, and then I also, while I was at it, I dropped the antenna out because it was broken, and after looking down inside there, somebody had actually already pulled the window or the antenna motor out, and for some reason didn't take the rest of it out with it. So this is the top, and that's just a thread-on piece. So I had to take a pair of pliers to hold this while I got this little nut off, and then what little of the antenna was left sounded like it fell down inside. So probably tomorrow or the next day I'll have to pull out the inside panel so I can get in here to pull that little piece out, because I don't want that banging around inside my car. So yeah, so we got those. Now let's go ahead and put this little plug in. See, just like that. There's a little, see if I can see the other one. Here's the one for the antenna. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's this little ledge, and that's what you want it to sit on. So you just push the center of it down and in so that can grab, and now boom, wiper delete, done. Let's move over here. Do the same thing. Let's work that in there. And just like that, antenna delete. Little things, guys, makes it look a lot better. So yeah, so apparently I forgot to close or do an ending for this video, so I'll go ahead and do it now on my laptop. Sorry about the image quality, but I'm just too lazy to go pull out the camera out of my room and shoot it, so we'll just do it this way. So if you guys have made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you guys out if you guys are trying to delete those on your car. And like I said earlier, if this is something you guys want, I'll link it down below for those plugs. I just got them off the eBay. They were super cheap, so I'll link them down below if it's something you guys are looking for. I'm ordering more for my firewall. That's almost done and ready to go, and ready to go to start being prepped and painted for when the motor gets back. I just dropped the motor off like 3 days ago. That video will be coming out soon too, of me doing that. Just another little short update on that. So look for that. That'll be coming soon as well. And yeah, like I said, we're just getting ready for the motor to come back to be put back in. So I'm trying to make sure everything's 100% ready to go, that everything on the firewall is done, the paint's done. So all I literally have to do is drop the motor in and plug it in, and it'll be a turnkey. So we're still working on that. So just stay tuned. Bunch more videos are coming up. So yeah, you guys subscribe if you guys want to see more. Catch you in the next one.